weird. Ah! No! This is scary.
It's scary.
It's fucking like there's nothing right here.
Slow down. Go to the light. Make a U-turn.
No, I'm scared. I feel like I need to be in the bike lane.
It's fast.
No.
It's 55.
It scares me. Did you really buy this shit?